So yeah, now it is getting. This was not coming actually in down right. But thanks everybody. So guys, let's start. Thanks for the comments and your clarity. So now we have to use AI as a product manager for you. Forget about your company. Be selfish, first of all. I will tell you those things which you have not heard elsewhere. How AI can bring you better job, better salary, better confidence, better skill set. That is the objective. It is not about your job. Yes, end of the day, you will do job in every company. You will do your own startup. Parallelly, you can your startup validation, everything, right? You will do, but it we should give you the confidence, boss, how I can do entire PLC product life cycle, right? How I can do the entire product development process without hiring so many engineers, without being a tech background also. So those all stuff has to be there. So are you ready for the role companies will hire for the next? That's the main area. A lot of people are still not confident, even leveraging it, right? So let's jump on. So that was the poll we were trying to do, trying to get a feedback, and we'll try to wrap up in 60 minutes here and there, 5 minutes, 10 minutes in Q&A. You're welcome for that. So I've kept at least 15, 20 minutes for that also. So guys, tell me in terms of what you think, why PM is changing, right? Why product management is changing because of AI? What do you think? Why product management is changing? Because of the rapid prototyping, because of ideation changing, or because of the industry demand, right? So if you think, we will cover all these things, stuff area today, but first of all, start thinking in your mind, right? So we'll just quickly debate why PM is changing, why PM has not changed 10 years back. Because of the evolution of the technology. How many agree because of the new transformative technologies PM is changing? Tell me yes and no, guys. Put in your chat. Product management, we called it, the function of a company, like HR is a function, finance is a function. How the product management is changing because of the technology, or because of the failures of the product, or because of the dynamics, how the economy is evolving. What do you guys think? Just put in chat, we'll have a look. So we'll check the hiring reality. We'll see the AI natives. What is AI native? What is digital product manager? What is AI product manager, right? What is AI powered product manager? So these terminologies, if you see the JD job description, a lot of companies, HR managers have written AI powered. You should know how to use AI stuff, right? Then they write AI native, right? So these terminology, what do you mean? How you prepare? We'll try to see if we can do this quick demo of AI, right? This using, and then our product thinking frameworks and your learning path, right? That is the agenda. So let's come. Why product management is changing, right? So AI co-pilots absorb the busy work. Do you agree, everybody? Yes and no. How many are using co-pilot? Let's say most of the people you are using in your product are co-pilots. Yes and no. What do you see? Let me see the comments also with you here. Okay, yes, the technology, very good, guys. Please keep sharing. So don't worry about the slides. Slides is just for helping the discussion, right? Main or goal is discussion. So we become confident. We know how to move ahead and how PML school can help me and how Amit can add value to you, right? Customer expects AI native products. So main stuff is that you are also a user, you also end consumer. Customer has evolved, customer has changed, right? So that's why a lot of companies, like you must have studied the old stories of Nokia failure and all that, right? But latest modern business models, they are used on technology. You can rent the dresses on, based on new subscription models, right? Because customer expectations are AI natives. So they are looking for AI native products like Netflix. So Netflix is a AI native product or digital product? Let's put in chat. Netflix, everybody knows Netflix, yes and no, right? So tell me, Netflix is a AI native product or it is a digital product? Let me see the comments. Let's see. We'll clear our doubts. Okay, I have yes. Oh, it is a AI native. Good, good. What about others? Digital, very good. Yes. Please, guys, don't worry. 100% answer wrong will also work. Yes, AI native. Yes, Ashwin. Good. What about others? I will repeat my question again. We are asking Netflix is a AI native product or is a AI powered product or it's a digital product. You can take all three. Just put your comment. Try. We'll understand the difference from the products we are using. Folks in India, for example, what we have Paytm here, right? So basically any other app which using AI, right? You can think of, but Netflix everybody uses or any subscription. What about others, guys? So who thinks is say AI powered? Anybody thinks it is a AI powered, not AI native? You can speak up also. I'll stop the screen sharing. So let's have a quick debate here. So I'm asking now, Netflix is a digital product, Netflix is a AI powered, or Netflix is a native AI native product. What do you guys think? Anybody wants to speak up? Yes, Sudhir is right. Very good. Now this goes to a big heart. Good. I like to give these hearts in the chats. So this feature also Zoom will not close. If user will not start using Rahul, Zoom will close the features, right? Do you agree? Yes or no? So it's good important to start using the features and they will say the engagement of the users on those features. So yes, you are right. Mr. Sudhir is very right that AI native uh, products are different. AI powered products are different and digital products are different. And we'll see quickly and what skill sets we need slowly to build up. Let me reshare my screen. Okay, we were here. Hopefully, oh, again, it is sharing gone. I don't know what's happened here. Give me a sec. So always this happens. It goes to the presentation mode and it stops. So I have to in companies is different. When you start using yourself, it is different, right? So anyhow, let's try it again. So main thing is also why companies are redesigning the roles. They are redesigning because end of the day you are serving the customer, right? So customer expectations have changed, right? So primarily the product management is changing because the demand is changing. How the customer are expecting you to make your product digital native, right? So for example, we discussed the Netflix. Let's take other example. Let's take in health tech global product, Stripe. Everybody knows Stripe or any other fintech product you want to take. Let's take any global product. What is that fintech product global, Nobula? You remember? Any fintech product globally, guys, know the name? Let me take a practical example. Anybody wants to take any, suggest me any fintech global product. Do you think PayPal is a global product? Yes and no. Have you used PayPal? PayPal is a global fintech product. A lot of B2B companies are using it, right? So
Sir,
what we are
Grow is also a fintech product.
Yeah. Grow is also a fintech product that is a local in India. Globally, it is expansion is they are doing it. APAC they have started, but like Stripe, like PayPal, they are global fintech products, right? So what I mean to say, customer expect AI products. Why? Because every company or many customer expectations are changing. So that's why what is looking yesterday it was very good. Today they are not irrelevant. They are not relevant, right? And companies are redesigning the role, right? So org chart cutting, cost cutting very well. Every company setting in US, whether in Europe, they're all cost cutting, right? They're all cost cutting in terms of uh, they are telling AI is there. If you don't know how to leverage AI, let's put less people to it, right? So that's why it's very there. You have to see that part also, the role impacted by AI, right? So the normally the old way, what we do, right? The specs, the normal, I think, say the 10 years back, still a lot of companies are doing, right? Let's take. Still, are we writing specs? Yes and no, guys? Tell me yes and no. You can speak up also. Are still you writing pages, blank pages? Yes and no. Or you are using AI? Wait for analysts for market data. A lot of companies are still waiting for analysts to give you the data. Ship one roadmap version per quarter. So they are going the traditional way also based on that old tradition. So old PM playbook, right? And competes on years of experience. They say like SAP of the worlds, Oracle of the worlds, right? Now, but they are not like old, but their product management strategy has also evolved, right? Learn tools from through training only, right? So the old way of doing, and still companies are doing, I will say 10% companies are what I see from my experience are still following across globe, not India. I'm not talking India. I have worked across US and Europe also, right? It's been 24 years. Worked across all those economies. Right now, I do consulting and teaching, right? I missed to tell you about myself, but that's a snapshot. But what's the near reality? So AI is drafting everything, right? So AI tells you the research, AI tells you drafts you the persona, value proposition, everything. And then you can take your judgments. You can take all decisions, right? Queries data and AI is the same afternoon, right? So basically what it is telling. So AI is helping you to give you the options, but end of the day, all those judgments you have to take. They will give the prioritization methods, different methods. They will give the options, but end of the day, you have to take the final, results and actions on that. Test and reprioritize weekly with live evidence. So easy to do with the AI, right? You can iterate, you can do A/B testing, you can do a lot of different simulation testing. In the digital twin is a very good example of that these days, right? A lot of people have done digital twins internally and then they are shipping the products after that, right? Learn by building. You learn everything in terms of building the prototypes and learn from that and see it is successful or not successful. Competes on portfolio proof and speed of thinking. So this is the thing which will differentiate you from the market, right? You show your thinking process, how fastly you have done it, what are the decisions you have taken, and your portfolio should support those. So that's why the new reality is there, where a lot of people are lacking. A lot of people are lacking, and don't put your CV and LinkedIn and make a portfolio. A lot of people are also doing that. Don't do that mistake. So because you have already a digital asset, which is your CV, that is a traditional approach. Then LinkedIn came 15 years before. Now everybody is very familiar on LinkedIn, right? Now the portfolio stuff and now the video resumes are there, right? So these are 4 5 stuff which helps you to build your expertise. Any questions here before I move ahead? I'll stop here. So guys, what do you think the how video resumes and portfolio, who has video resumes and portfolio? Just type in yeah, Revolut is a good example. Thank Mr. Ranjan. Now let's write I have a portfolio and video resume. I need two things. Anybody has write yes and no. LinkedIn and CV everybody has. So portfolio and video resume, right? So like this. Portfolio in Notion, very good, Ashwin. Good, is there. And portfolio VR. For portfolio, you can write short POR. If you have a video resume, write VR. Please try. So these are now becoming a base standards, right? And how you pitch into your portfolio and how you pitch into your video resumes is totally different what is written on the CV, right? So that's why I'm asking this stuff from you. So we understand why the roles are changing and how you present yourself, right? It is not about leveraging AI tools. It's about telling about yourself, what problems you have solved, how you approach them, right? So I think some of the slides are there. Let me quickly jump on one slide, which I want you to. So let me see, guys. Write no portfolio. If you have no portfolio, please write no also. Let me give you time for the comments. It's very important because we will help you in building our portfolio also. Yes. Portfolio, nothing is there, right? No. Right. Good. Yes, yes. Please write no. We don't need any resume and LinkedIn these days. LinkedIn is required, frankly, but portfolio is your personal website, if you don't know, which helps you to get the leads for the interview. Just simple selling funnel for yourself, right? So yes, I am waiting everybody, guys. We are around 15 plus folks today. Good to see you. Thanks, everybody. Please write. This is a major component. And second session we are taking on coming weekend. It will be more focused on how we are building portfolios, how the value addition is done. You show your problem solving skills. You don't tell I have this experience, which is a CV. LinkedIn tells your heading, your about yourself, then your job. That is similar to the CV only, right? Nothing changed. They are looking to see what decisions you took, what projects you took, what risks you take, what are the artifacts you have created, how you have done the product end to end, right? That is the outcome people are trying to check from you, right? So that's why these portfolios and video resumes, which is just for 5 minutes. Now, Naukri, if somebody folks who are from India, they are asking for video resumes, right? So that's important. Now let me quickly share my screen and let's good. So a lot of people are no, I see. What about others guys who have not responded? See, writing and typing keeps you more clear that this we have to do. That's why I'm asking. Don't start think that So please write everybody. I'm still waiting. Deepak, Devashish, yes guys, Ashwin. Ashwin has given Rahul Gupta, Sandy, please write. All few projects, yes. No vibe coded, yes. Vibe coded also good. Whatever you have done in your project, if you don't have any product management experience, in our CAPA program, we launch MVP, real MVP. And next week, Nobula and couple of folks will launch their MVP, right? So that way you learn entire end-to-end products. So good, good. What about others, guys? No portfolio, no resume. I have not seen any video resume, right? It's very important, guys. You plug in your video into your portfolio, and I'll show you a couple of portfolios for which we have done. And I think Nabula and Ruchi are there. They will definitely show themselves their portfolios, right? So it will help them, you also to learn those about, right? So I'll give quickly. Ruchi, can you show your portfolio if you're there? Or Nabula, anybody, right? So it will have a quick understanding, connect the concepts, right? Anybody wants to show? Ruchi, Nabula, or should I pull up? Ruchi, you are there? Yes, you are there. Ruchi, can you show or Nabula? Or guys, let me see. Yeah, you there? Okay, I'm
Yes.
waiting. Yeah, please show. Please share your screen. I put this and sharing screen for you. Why I'm showing you? Because we are not just talking, we are executing.
Sir, I have joined from mobile. Actually, I'm outside.
Okay, okay. Nobula, you want to show or let me pull your portfolio? No problem. So that's okay. So if we, Nobula,
Um,
yeah,
yeah,
please show.
Maya.
Yes, yeah, definitely go
Okay.
ahead. I have to pull yours. Because see, I want to show them the real thing, not talking. In product management, execution is the key to success. Frankly, guys, whatever you know, execute and show. That's why we are taking a little bit, slow here. It looks very slow. No. So she will present her
Okay.
portfolio. Yes. Yeah. You can make it full
Yes.
screen. Yeah, full screen. So guys, if you
It is.
see, yeah, just scroll it up and you can run through your portfolio quickly. Right. See, she's saying her case studies are there, right? And you can go by tab. Click on the tabs. She just built it couple of weeks back, right? See, from fund, she's from customer experience and transitioning to product management, right? And you show your journey. Click on the tabs on the top about impact and journey. Yeah, see, this is very important to show your quantitative and quantity numbers, right? And this is only version first, right? And it will go to
Yes.
improving your version. Down on case studies, next journey, case study. Show. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. So you put a snapshot of your career there, not full details, and then your case study. See, this is her case study. Now she is developing a wallet, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The
What
AI
about?
powered
Yeah.
savings wallet in the
See,
fintech space. Yes. That's what we're doing right now.
and she will launch a MVP there, and she has some screens also. Go down. I think I saw the some screen. Yeah, wallet.
Yeah.
See, guys, this is the real work. I want everybody to see and make this, right? Even she has not made the real product, but she has done everything what is required. Right? Then you have demo skills if somebody wants a demo of that. So walkthrough of that product, quick walkthrough, and then you have skills. What are the skills which recruiter goes to you, and you all areas where you are not stuffing with keyword, which is ranking in her geography, which is ranking in her area of city and the recruiter in the fintech industry. These are only those. Don't fluff your CV or the portfolio with 100,000 keywords, right? You have to see my role is APM. What are the key skill set? Just only, right? And her value proposition. Main thing is her value proposition, right? And if you go to the top of it, Nabula, you click on your name. Yeah. You
Okay.
see, yeah, top of it, right? See, building customer-centric digital products for Africa market, right? So you have to show your value proposition that you're good in telecom and customer experience and digital transformation, right? So that is the way. Thanks, Nobla. Thanks a lot for
Okay.
presenting. Yeah. So guys,
Welcome,
that was,
thank you.
yeah, good, guys. So that's the execution I want. A few more projects, yes, no. So guys, that is very important for you, right? Let me quickly jump on and let's move ahead, right? Mm, any questions for the portfolios, please ask, right? Not a problem. So I think, let me put a quick slide for about myself also, which I never did, right? So PMS, we started in 2024, right? We do on weekends. We have around 4 or 5 mentors that come on demand, right? Mostly all are working professionals. So that's about me. My name is Amit. I have been in industry from last 25 years, right? So I have done my master's in Ireland. I'm one of the gold medalists there. And apart from that, some executive education I have done from IIM Visakhapatnam. And I have done my certification in digital supply chain from IIM Visakhapatnam, and certifications which are all for, proving your capabilities, CPSPO and CPSPO Advanced. Both I have taken from Scrum Alliance. So I've been mentor on India, IT Madras cell, guest mentor for their product entrepreneurship cell. I mentor MBA students also. I'm a guest speaker at a couple of universities, now other universities also. Parul in Gujarat is there, very good university. And I lead and mentor for this or the product management, right? So I've worked around US, Europe, and APEC region primarily, right? India very less in product management, primarily in US and Europe, right? So, and from July 2024, we start executing our programs which are on weekends, right? That's why I thought to show you snapshot. And this is our program that we'll discuss later on. But yeah, yes, that is about the program, I think. Oh, let's jump on the other area which we were discussing, right? So we were discussing here in terms of our how the things are changing, right? Okay, I was putting the stuff here. So let's take live. Okay. We did that. We did that. Now you understand the main thing, right? Which is a lot of people have confusing. So before going to it, so now AI native product managers, right? So they are not just using the tool. That is very important. Lot of think people that we know 10 tools, we are very valued. No, guys. Tools are like brands. I always use this simple example, frankly. Tools are like different brands. Tata, like Tata, Mercedes, there are different vehicles, right? But you should know driving. You can drive any brand in the car. So think like that. Put a small analogy in your mind, right? So they redesign how the product decisions get made, right? Faster, better, and evidence we saw from you at lower cost. But in terms of AI natives, you need to have a lot of understanding of your data, right? So what all, let me go back from here. We missed that. So when it is shifting in terms of getting AI fluency in language, yes, obviously you should know prompt engineering, right? You should know how the prompts are built, what are the different frameworks are there. And then in terms of what's shifting in PM jobs, without this, any company will not work today. This has become the baseline, like a Excel, right? A lot of people don't know even Excel, right? So AI tools running is now becoming Excel. These are the shifts, fewer rungs and more ranges, right? So companies increasingly expect one PM to cover discovery through delivery, work, and used to span 2, 3 specialist role. Now your role earlier, see, here is the main difference. What is that meaning? This is the discovery part in product mind, right? Then what is the next part, guys, after discovery? Tell me, help me. After discovery, what is the next part? Design or strategy? Anybody wants to help me here? After discovery, what is the next step? Nobody, please speak up, guys. I'm not able to hear you. So you put a strategy, right? Then only you design the product, right? And then you execute the product and then you go to the GTM, right? These are the normal basic steps which you are starting to do. So companies are expecting you to do end to end till growth, follow up, everything, marketing, GTM, everybody. So that is the main thing now. The broader profile of the PM jobs. They have not only asking you to do one of three area like a product owner, just see the sprints, just see the product type and do it, right? They are giving you getting into the grade. That's why you need to show your proof over your pedigree, right? You must know what are the areas I have executed, how my project can be present in a product way. Whatever you have done, whether you are part in an IT service company or you are from non IT, what your existing experience can show as a product management. So that's why the hiring panels are asking for live portfolio, which I showed you from the Novula, right? This is just example. We have 15, 20 portfolios done, right? So you walk through AI assisted work sample early in your process or not just resume, right? This is the stuff we were discussing. So that is a very clear demand from the recruiters and the market. So market is changing, right? So any questions here, guys? Anybody wants to add their, more insights, they are welcome, right? Any questions or we are good? No questions, guys? Or you want to put in chat also, guys? We can take that way. So I'm stopping here and waiting for questions. Any questions? Or we are good to go? Let me see the chat. Okay. If you, no questions, guys. Good. So I'll keep on breaking like this. If anybody has questions, you can raise your hand. You can put in chat. You can ask Amit. We can stop and ask a question, right? Rather than waiting for end. Normally the questions are in end. So I avoid that, right? And we will take a break if required, right? Let me reshare my screen. So now we understand AI is changing fast. Everybody knows that stuff, right? And now we are getting into how we use that. So in terms of, we saw this, what companies are doing fluency and what are the other areas we need. So now what is the major area they have to focus? What companies now screen for? Data reasoning. This is the biggest asset. Please start learning data analytics, data and understanding, data reasoning. This is very critical skill. A lot of people don't have. Cross-functional leverage, how you understand the design part, how you understand the work of AI/ML engineers, how you understand the market research process, how you do the hypothesis validation, right? Prompt literacy, very much. Can turn a problem into piece of structured prompt. How to do write a structure, not just give me a MVP prompt, give me a hypothesis. No. How you use different frameworks like Craft, Reason, RISE, RACE, there are a lot of frameworks, right? At least 5 frameworks are very cool, or I can say very familiar with product manager like Craft and Reason and Race. Every product manager uses, and we have a guide for that. If you want, you can just connect on WhatsApp also, right? And then experience speed, how you fast you ship, right? Small shipping, small test with using leveraging, testing your validation hypothesis, and rather than featuring long releases, right? And then portfolio proof, always portfolio proof. You have to show what companies now screen for everything. In portfolio you saw plus resume, LinkedIn or video resume, right? So we discussed that. And now this is the main difference, guys, where a lot of people are getting confused, right? So now let's start from here quickly. I'll use other color so it will be easy for you. So digital product. So what are digital product? They always, we are solving the problem of the customers. Are we solving across all the 3 customer problems? Yes and no, guys. Tell me. If you are a digital product manager, you are solving a customer problem? Yes. Are you solving a problem customer? Yes. Are you solving a NIT product manager? Yes. So customer problem is always key, right? You cannot build the product without solving a problem. So in digital products, you are leveraging technologies. You are using like, API databases. These are very old, right? Everybody uses cloud basics, analytics, and web and mobile apps, right? So that's how these digital products are there. Can you give me an example of any specific digital product in chat? Let's take a digital example, which is a just digital product. Feature prioritization roadmap. Let me see the chat. Any digital product, guys, let me close. See the chat, yeah. Yeah, please type, guys. Just give me a digital product you have used in your life. Amazon is a digital product or a other product, AI native? Tell me. No idea. Let's discuss, then we'll get into it, right? I think it's too early to discuss that. So guys, if you go into the AI product manager, what they are doing. So here everything is a digital, right? But you are using some of the areas which is powered by AI, right? For example, Netflix is not 100% AI. Netflix use some of the features like movie recommendation engine, right? Uh, and in the terms of your login, still it is an old way of login. You get a password and all that stuff. So some of the features are only native, only AI powered. They are not into perfectly the 100% AI build, right? So that's why you can take a Netflix here an example. Amazon also comes into this category because they are using like AI chatbots, recommendation engine, fraud detection, demand forecasting. A lot of people are using these stuffs these days, and this is in the demand. If you are giving interviews, this is the people are asking, have you done AI chatbot, recommendation engine detections, and demand forecasting? And now the latest part, which is very much in trend, agentic AIs, right? So basically AI native products where we do build AI agents, LLM orchestration, and multiple agents also, right? So how we are moving from here to here. That's why the product knowledge is also different. Your digital PM have different area of skill sets, and AI native have different skill sets. You cannot jump directly here build without knowing. So if you're trying to get AI native or AI agent product manager, you need to learn these areas also, right? This is the one of the mistake a lot of people are doing it, right? They are trying to build some of the tools on a lot of apps, and they say I know how to agent works. No, that is not the way. So you should start understanding how the digital product works, how you empower them, how the AI native products, both all the areas we have to do it. So that's how it will give you the more confidence and understanding the difference. And see, the tech is also changed, right? So here you have agentic AI, you have to use a lot of RAG and MCPs, memory systems you have to understand, a lot of workflow orchestration. So all stuff you need to understand here in getting into the details, right? So now tell me everybody, I'll wait, which are more AI native products, right? Let's see which are AI native products. I'll see example from you. Which are AI native product? Does ChatGPT is a AI native product, guys? Yes and no? What do you see? Let's see the comments. Yes, okay. Sudhir is telling. What are other AI native products? See, because when you understand these products, you do a tear down, you understand more of product building. What are other products, AI native products, guys? Okay, Amazon seems no, Amazon is not, Rahul. Amazon is just AI powered. If you see some of the features, it's not entire AI native. Ola, Uber of the world, right? Whether you are in San Francisco or whether you are in Delhi. So Uber, you use a lot of AI powered features. They are not 100% native, right? They are not built on primarily the from the native perspective, right? Like Notebook LLM is there. What about other product? Does Notion is a AI product, AI native product, guys? Very good, Nobula. Mid Journey, super. Notion, yes, Rahul, good. Yes, lovable. See, so all the people, all these products, people who are building AI native, they are primarily data source. Replit, yes, these are all Replit. These are all products which are AI native products, right? And what about any consumer product, guys? Any consumer product? Yeah, Replit comment browser. Yes, we right. 100% very good, Rahul. Any consumer product which is AI native. Think, guys, because B2B products are tend to be used by industries. Any B2C product AI native? Yeah, Canva, very good. Yes. Canva is we have a case study in PML. If you want, we can share. Canva is a very good case study, how they have built entire AI native product, right? So I think the evolve, thanks for your engagement. This is very good to understand. You guys are getting there, right? And now let's see the competency part, right? Let's quickly jump on. What are the competencies required, right? Yes, we have to go there from here to here. But how I go? What are the things that companies are expecting? We have to work from the expectation of the industry, recruiters, right? So if you start from here, core PM craft, right, which is a strategy, what will my product strategy? Does it connect to my business strategy? Yes and no. Now, how I validate that? How I do multiple prioritization techniques? Can I do some prompting there? Yes, I can do. But one strategy is required in prioritization of multiple. So all those core stuff from discovery to your delivery, unchanged fundamental. They are same. It means you have to learn everybody, even if you are becoming a agentic PM, right? So core PM craft is always required to build. A lot of people are jumping here actually. So that is a big gap. So don't do that. That is my suggestion. Then next layer is always AI and data fluency, right? So now understanding what type of data we need, whether data is available for it, it is our proprietary, public, and our customer user generated data. So all this you have to stuff understand. That's why you can start thinking of the use cases, right? So you can make a AI powered product, or we start a new product with AI native only, right? We have everything data, let's make a new product, right? So then that's where you can, and then prompt driven workflows. Then your judgment and ethics. A lot of ethics is also required in terms of data. So in terms of modeling. So all those stuff will you have to learn, not from jump from here. So when you are developing your skill sets, please start, don't focus your time too much. This is very easy peasy. Main thing you focus on these areas. And that's how we teach in our CAPM program. This all and these two layers we teach a lot. Prompt driven workflows also we teach. So all three layers we teach so you can start making judgments. That is very important because recruiter is looking for that, right? So that is the difference. And what is our learning cycle? That's why I was telling real business problem. We take real business problems like Nobula shown for a wallet, she's working, right? And then you use AI to explore all the prompts we have, and you use how to do a hypothesis building, how to do the MVP, then build a solution, your MVP launch, then you repeat it, and then you measure the outcomes and reflect and learn and improve that item. This is a normal product cycle, but how to leverage the AI there, right? So that is the main aspect of building the products in terms of getting along with the rapid, you can say, we will say lean product management approach rather than going, because these days you are not waiting too much for the customer to give a feedback. You can launch a simulation, you can put a persona, this is my persona, this is my variables, and ask machine to learn multiple algorithms and do a statistical validation before launching it to the final users, right? This is very easy and a lot of people are still learning. So I'll suggest let's do that and learn that area. That will help you to focus on leveraging those and statistical tools to test your product features in advance. So machine is testing, right? So this is one of the areas where you tend to use machine. Now this is a one big exercise for everybody. So I'll putting a small exercise. So at least let me share my screen again. Now take your pen and pencil, what you have, and just put your numbers, right? So it is not that big one, but just put and try to put your numbers. So just, if you are very good, put 5, very confident. So I have not used excellent. Are you confident? Forget about industry. Please rate I want your scale. Put your score. How you'll put? If I'm 1-1, I'll put 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my score will be 7. So please scale yourself in terms of competency, right? I'll give you what you have. Portfolio, put a 1. If you don't have anything, put not yet. See? Cost function leverage meaning you understand different functions of different department in product. You understand backend engineering, you understand system engineering, right? Basics, how you talk to developers, engineer. Experiment speed, you know how to do prototypes, how to use AI lovable vibe coding. You know how to understand the data reasoning. What are the data prompts are required, data sets are required. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can say I'm 2 here, 3 here, 1 here, like this, and just add those. Just sum all those stuff in all the areas, one area. So let's take this, for example. Let me take my pen and pencil here. Okay. Yeah. So here, for example, I mark 2. AI fluency here. Right. Prompt. I know the prompt frameworks, not literacy. Literacy means you know different frameworks in different situations, but it's a strategy different. Data reasoning, I know how to analyze data, how to you find the use cases, right? Yes. Experiment speed, yes. I have done a lot of prototyping, cross-functional leverage. I know all the functions, understanding, I can portfolio, yes. So this way, maximum score will be 35, right? Let's see the scores, guys. So this all we need to develop slowly. So let's see how many scores are there. Let me see. Let me close this. Okay. Yeah. So we have, guys, put the scores. If you have done, I'll present the screen again. Take your time, just put the scores. Why I'm telling you? Because these is required by the industry. Don't think I will do it later. No, this is the current demand of the market. If you want employment within couple of months, 3-4 months, you need to have at least all this minimum. If you are new to product management also, at least 2 you should have, minimum 2. And if you are an associate product manager, you should have 3 here. So this 5 has done. If you are a PM, at least you should have this 4. And if you are having 10-year experience in product management, then you should have all 5 minimum. So that's why I'm giving a benchmark figure, and let's see how many people are. 18, Rahul, very good. Guys, try, don't worry, nobody's judging you here, right? But we have a metrics also. We have built a assessment full program there. How you assess and leverage there. Any other? Only Rahul has done. What about others, guys? No? Let me see other comment. Okay. Sudhir 18, very good, good, not bad. Again, what about others, guys? I'll again present the screen. Don't shy away. We have to be truthful ourselves. Even if 5 people will sit here, we'll discuss the same speed, right? I always tend to go very slow, right? So please mark yourself, take your time. So what time you are investing with me, it is helpful for you. You can take a screenshot, recording will also come. We'll mail you all people who have registered the PPT and every stuff, right? Don't worry about the contents part. So mark yourself, right? Let me see more on. Okay, 17. Good. 17, 18, 17, 18 we are getting, right? Yeah, good, guys. So why I'm telling you? Because you realize, Paul, this is the market demand. So I have to at least reach to this level. And how I do it, I go slow way, the pillar we saw it earlier, right? And then start building my gaps. Don't jump, let me learn the 2 AI tools and done. If you don't know how to do the hypothesis validation, do you think you can build a better roadmap? Not at all. So I'll stop here, and anybody has any questions, let me see, quick check from you. And if you want to see again, any questions, guys, please raise your hands. And then what about others, guys? No competency marking about others. Don't see people what other people will say. Don't think too much about that, right? Yes, I have on from only 4 we have got. Rahul, we got Sudhir, 3 only. What about others, guys? Please mark. Ranjan, what are there? Okay, Rahul, Sudhir, and Rajaram. Only 3. What about others, guys? Please share. Please try to do later on if you are not doing right now, right? So my objective of bringing this discussion, I always say discussion, was to, are we competing the market? Are we competent enough? Our skill sets are enough to comply to this level, right? So that's why all the structure we do in terms of our programs. Let me also share you the quick that way. We do a lot of mentorship, one-to-one. You have interview guidance. We have a program where we do real practice and portfolio, and we are AI flow and career readiness. So how we are doing it together in the program here. So this is called our CAPI program, right? And certified AI product manager, where we execute entirely using the AI tools and building. This you have seen about me. So this is about 18 to 20 weeks, right? Mr. Sudhir has just enrolled, and Mr. Leroy also. 3, 4 people have enrolled, and we have maximum strength of 5 people. We don't go more than 5 people. That is our strict action, right? That is a max number, because you have a lot of stuff that will be done one-to-one. Your hands-on product labs are there, discussion and debriefs are there. Your workshops will have for decision-making labs, right? Concept and framework. So at least we will give you 2 to 3 hours live sessions per weekend, and then other 4 or 5 hours you have to invest and do your learning also, right? So it is not a passive, video stuff. So opening cases are there, concept workflows, a lot of product labs we do, AI we use, product simulation we do, like we did for order management system, right? If the hotel is going down with 40% less orders, how will improve their order? This we did the last batch, right? And debriefing session in terms of mentoring what you have done and guiding you in your prompts. So everybody can join basically if you are new also, but primarily it is for people who wants to build a systematic understanding from 0 to AI level, right? So that's very important. And this is the module wise snapshot, right? So foundation, we start with Agile and AI mindset. We also learn a lot of product prompt engineering, basic stuff here. We go to the discovery part and problem. Everything you are getting using AI, right? Then your TAM Samsung, market research, your product strategy piece, where you discuss about leadership product strategy. Then you define launch your own product, right? we select one product. For example, you are launching HR system. Ruchi was doing HR system, one module, and she launched it. And she has to now build our MVP right now in coming weeks, right? Same way, other people who have done the program, they have launched their other products in fintech, in other domains. So you work in your domain, not any other domain. Then how to use UX and UI validation experimentation, your roadmap, GTM and analytics part of it. Then capstone. This is here we help you to give your customized CV, resume, and then your portfolio, and then your script for the interviews, right? How you put your match to the recruiter, what is your elevator pitch, what is your mock interview. So we take your mock interviews here, we give you the questions and your target role, what is value proposition. So this is the main area which helps you to leverage and present what you have learned, right? So by end of the CAPM program, product strategy and thinking, right? You have this thing. Then you have AI product understanding, how the products are different, and then execution and deliveries where PRD and structure user stories, right, are built. And then you have metrics and analytics understanding. And then a lot of tools, some of the tools we are used, which are free basically, normally, and all there are a lot of other tools also apart from this. And then we start using building our MVP and launching our MVP, right? So basically, ship AI product that I want. You should ship some product that you can show to the recruiter, right? Put a capstone, LinkedIn, resume, portfolio, everything there. Interview, I told you, couple of interview detail, right? So recruiter for portfolio facing, all those stuff you will build it right there. So these are some of the, yeah, Ismail has done from Dubai, right? They have done earlier sessions also. Target roles. Yes, you can target if you are new to roles that you can target your AI product owner role, right? If you are just new to their Agile and this product owner are good enough. If you are new to this leveraging existing PM, you can go to PM lead if you have around 10 to 15 year experience. But AI product manager is for folks who are around 4 to 5 year experience. So you can target role based on your target roles. We will give you the your interview strategy. It is not generic, it is one-to-one, right? That's why. Simulation also, I do interview simulations, right? So I'm on a company recruitment company panel from last 4 years. I do recruitment for them in terms of taking interviews, right? So that's why I understand the market demand, right? So that's how this is the program. I'll suggest who wants to join. I'll share the link, right? You can connect me one-to-one. You can ask the questions. Any questions we have regarding career, please tell me. Now I'll share you the WhatsApp group first of all. Let me see. I can share. Yes. So this is our website. I'm sharing you the website also. A lot of people are new, so it will help you to get into there, right? Any questions, guys? Or we are good? Okay. Let me share the screen also. When do this AI course start? Good question. Good. Let me share the screen. Okay. So okay, let's share this. Guys, this is our quick website. And why we are built on Lovable. Why? Because we are also testing what thing works, what doesn't work, right? Because in Lovable, it takes 10 minutes to put the login and the folder. But main thing, what we are telling, the program, we have two programs, but this is the main program which we discussed about, right? And different modules which we discuss, 8 modules are there, every 8 module, and we have a detailed program brochure also. But main stuff is this here. You build products in your domain, fraud detection, fintech, health tech. And this program starts from mid of August. Right now, those who are new, but we want everybody to do a product tear down that I start with. We have already started. But in this, we'll start with from 15th of mid of the month, right? Whatever the weekend comes in, right? So same way, HR tech, retail, creator tools, legal tech. So these are the areas which people have worked in earlier products. So I have put all those areas which we have done, right? So what you get in terms of the industry stack and all that is led by me and one of the other mentor also. So let me give you this program link first of all, right? Let me share. So any questions, guys, we have, let me see a couple of questions we have. Timing of batch. Yeah, good, Rahul. Timing is always evening, 8 to 10 p.m. on Sunday. That is fixed for us because international participants are all there. And evenings we are a little bit, planned. So we have time there. So that is the stuff. And I'll give you the registration. So you have all the fees detail and stuff. And some of the folks we are selecting for 6-month internship also. That is very important. Out of this program, they will also do 6-month free internship with us. Couple of folks we are selecting based on their experience and knowledge. So they will get 6-month internship for us also, right? So this is the program registration link. This is very easy peasy. So let me quickly present you also. Any other questions, guys? Or we are good to close? Normally I planned for 60 minutes, couple of here and there. Okay. Let me see the questions. Okay, 2 links are there. Everybody got the link. Next one is the link. Let me open it to show. If no questions, we are good. Timing of the batch, we know, right? Right. Yes, timing is 8 to 10. And we have some sessions on demand whenever we need it for doubt clearing and other stuff, right? So if you see quickly here, so let me share screen, it will be easy. Certification from our side, like Scrum. Yeah, certification will do. It's not about the certification is definitely there. Every time certification is there. But main stuff is there. You fill everything stuff. This will evaluate your portfolio. Are you free? This is the form. Please, guys, fill it. So 5 internship, 2 are already gone. That's why I'm telling 3 are left. So we'll take sometime 18 to 20, 2 more weeks, weekends, or we can speed up also, right? So that's there. And is mentor-led one-to-one. You put your LinkedIn profile. Then we'll take some of the sessions with you. You can have free session also. Some of the consultation from me. And then we have a program payment and registration fees here. This program cost you $295 US, right? And India, for this month, August, it will cost you around $25,000, right? So this is upfront. Everything is very simple and straightforward. And you can click here. It will take you to the website also. We have made it very simply. Oh, it is not linked to other program. So, but it is here. Let me recorrect that. I think this is a link, old link. But somehow, let me see. Yeah, it should open. And let's try that. You test the product MVP. Yeah, it is opening. Yeah. But anyhow, we have a detailed program brochure, right? So that's why I put 20 weeks here, right? 2 weeks we take it for personal sessions, which we call mock interviews or your resume and career readiness. So this is the main area where you start leveraging everything, right? So I'll stop presenting, right? And I'll take anybody is interested. Please join the WhatsApp group also if you have any question. And next session, if you want to register, please register on that link which I shared earlier. Let me put into the chat again. Everybody has registered, guys. Who has not registered, please register to this, right? So next session we'll also go on more portfolio side, discovery side, right? This is the link. Please register. Next Sunday we will also do. So you have more better understanding. Today we try to build a mindset. What skills I have to learn? Why I have to learn? Because industry is changing, right? And that's the basic premise. And then we start building it, right? Okay, guys. Thanks everybody. If anybody has a question, they can raise hands or we are good to close. Okay, guys, any questions? Okay, I see a couple of questions. Do you teach statistics required for evaluating? Statistics we do not teach, but we can put a statistics simulation. Required, do you teach statistics required to evaluate? What statistics you want? Please give an example, Deepak. I love statistics. I've done my thesis. I'm a gold medalist. T-test. Yes, we can do it. If you want T-test and all those tests is very easy. Some tools you have free, all that. Where you will need T-test? Tell me. Tell me where you will need T-test. You can speak also, Deepak. Yeah, A/B testing also. They are free website. These are very smaller things. That's why I'm telling. Don't worry about tools. There's free website. There will. What is A/B testing? A option, B option. You expose to the customers and tell which option they react. For example, form A, which form I was opening to you, and form B, two versions. That's it. So that is very easy part of it. Statistical evaluation is the where we build our research hypothesis, right? When we are validating our hypothesis, then it is required. Then you define what type of test you want, right? Qualitative, quantitative, or mix of both. That time you did it, do a different type of, for example, SEM, SEM equation is there. That is both of inverse of qualitative and quantitative. So, but we don't teach right now statistics, to be very frank. A/B testing, we do it. And we have free tools, and somebody required certification from your institute, or these are Scrum or yeah, PML school gives the certification, Rahul, and this will be forwarded by us to you, right? Yeah, these are like Scrum Alliance only. Yeah, Scrum Alliance teach you only product ownership. We go into the AI native AI product management side. Good guys, thanks a lot. Encouraging questions, a lot of feedback. First, I would like to thank a lot of folks. Thanks, Nobula. Thanks, Ruchi. Our Mr. Sudhir also. Thanks for be here. A lot of people who are there already. They're part of our program. Good to see them back, right? Devashish, if you have any questions, welcome. Kush